Let's do the excavator part challenge. See if you can name the main part of this cool excavator.
We'll start here with a bucket, sometimes called the shovel. This bucket has teeth.
Here is the boom. Yes, the boom. There is the stick, also called the dipper arm.
These are the hydraulic cylinders. They are kind of like the muscles in the arm of the boom, since they give them the power and strength to lift. This is the cab, where the operator sits while he works the controls.
This is the counterweight. It's very heavy to help balance the big load, the bucket lift on the other hand. The engine is right in here.
And inside here is the hydraulic tanks. It holds the oil for hydraulic cylinders. And back here is the fuel tank.
These are the track. He has the track chain on the track shoes. Yes, I said track shoes.
These are the rollers and here are the sprockets. Now, this whole part of the excavator that includes the cab, the engine and the fuel tank is called the house.
In the part underneath the hood that includes the tracks is called the undercarriage. Go it, can you remember all the parts? Let's do it fast now.
Bucket, stick, boom, hydraulic cylinder, cab, counterweight, engine, hydraulic tank, fuel tank, track chain, shoe, wires, sprocket house, and our carriage. Nice job!